Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're drawing one of the most iconic and beloved characters of all time, Pikachu. And we'll be doing it entirely with pencil, using soft lines and shading to bring this electric little friend to life in a calm, sketch-style version. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our fun and creative drawing tutorials. And here's a question for you. If you had a real Pikachu, what would you name it? Tell us in the comments, we'd love to hear your ideas. Amazing job, artists! Your pencil sketch of Pikachu looks super cute and full of personality. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you had fun with this sketch, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other character drawings and pencil-only art. We've got plenty more fun on the way. Keep sketching, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.